key skills businesses require as transitioning towards a digital future and particularly around BIM are ultimately around culture change. The technical skills are all capable of being trained across all the different disciplines that go towards delivering building infrastructure and assets. It's the ability to engage early enough, so it's about changing procurement models ultimately to allow the whole team to engage early enough in the process to drive best value. It's about making sure that that spirit of collaboration sits right at the heart, so it's about understanding that everybody has around working together collaboratively with clearly separate areas of responsibility, but ultimately delivering an outcome for the client. Some of the key challenges, barriers to the implementation of BIM are technical, so around developing the requisite technical skills within the various different parts of the industry. But principally some of the barriers are still cultural, so it's really around that adoption and understanding that this is going to deliver better value. So from a client perspective, a tier 1 contractor perspective, and all the way down through the supply chain and professional consultant bodies, it's that understanding that it's the spirit within which a project needs to be delivered that perhaps is the biggest skill set to overcome. And what will help in that is being able to evidence and showcase the good examples of success in the past. So where it has been implemented well, and indeed where it hasn't worked, is sharing and understanding much better just why that's the case. And hopefully in the good examples that will give confidence to other clients, other decision makers, that the approach is right. Construction Scotland Innovation Centre work in partnership with Construction Scotland Industry Leadership Group, with Scottish Enterprise and with Scottish Futures Trust, deliver a BIM implementation and awareness programme across Scotland. So at multiple locations across Scotland we are bringing together those that are interested in understanding at the basic level just what BIM could mean to them, and at a more detailed level and implementation level about what they can then take forward and develop within their business, their organisation, to adopt more BIM activity within their workflows. Businesses in Scotland can come to any of our events across Scotland over the course of the next year. They're all free to access, they're supported by industry, they're supported by other public sector partners, and that will give industry partners the opportunity to understand at a basic level where BIM might work for their organisation. It will give them case studies and examples of how they can adopt BIM practices within their processes moving forward. There's also on our website, cs-ic.org, on the BIM page within our website we've set up a BIM portal. There's e-learning modules, so you can learn at home, at work. You don't have to come along to events if you can't make them work within your timescale. All the information there around the awareness and implementation side of things has been put into e-learning platforms.